Good morning. Today's your birthday, by the way. Happy Friday, Friday. I feel like today is Friday for you guys too, so glad we all made it together. Actually, by the time you're watching this, I am on a trip and in New York City. Pretty cool. Thank God it's Friday. My to-do list is not too bad or too long, so pretty excited about that. I have like a couple things that I have to go through, but other than that, we're in pretty good shape. Don't foresee it being a late day, which is awesome because it has been a really long week, you guys. I have been busy every single day this week. Every single day. I have had a ton of work and a ton of plans in the evening. So it's been a lot. I have plans tomorrow too, but luckily I have zero plans tonight. It's just gonna be me and Connor at home. Relaxing, so that sounds very ideal. I do have 2 calls today, so that's a bummer, but I used to have 3 calls and one of them got canceled, so things are on the up and up. Also very excited because so much good reality television is on right now. Love Island just came back, Big Brother just came back, and not this is reality, but the new Gossip Girl came out last night, so I need to watch that today for sure. I think that's gonna be like my lunch break watch, because Big Brother and Love Island, stuff like that, I can sort of watch when I'm working. It's not that deep. We were just at our friend Alyssa's last night though, and she had us watch part of the first episode of season 5 of the UK Love Island, and I was pretty into it. I feel like the people are way hotter. I don't find the people on Love Island US to typically be like that hot. And isn't that sort of why you're watching a show like Love Island? So probably gonna be binging that for a little while as well. That sounds fun. But I'm going to start off the day by going through my emails. I have, let's dive in. Molly Cat, is this your new favorite spot? Sitting right here with Mom? Okay, I love it. Just finished my last call for the day, so that is definitely good. And I am fading fast. I'm so tired today, you guys. I can't even tell you. I just don't even feel like making lunch right now, but I just gotta. I'm literally just eating these cherry tomatoes from the farmer's market because they are so good. Like, they just like explode in your mouth with flavor. I just spoke to Connor. I'm afraid if I said this, but he's in the office today. He has to stay there until like 5, which sucks. So he won't be home until after work. But it's okay because honestly, I've finished most of the stuff on my to-do list. There's definitely more stuff that I can and should do. But I don't know, it's Friday. I just don't feel like it. It's so difficult for me to motivate. I cannot decide what I want to have for lunch today. I just have one of these like ramen cups from Trader Joe's, but this is not gonna fill me up. Okay, we're gonna do the curry ramen. It's gonna be fast. I will literally time it. It's gonna be 10 minutes. That's gonna be my goal. 10-minute lunch. Let's do it. We have 10 minutes on the clock. Start, and let's do it. So, gotta get some water on. I'm gonna do like 1 3/4 cup of water. I'm literally just putting this in my always pan. That way it's like a 1-pan meal situation. Turn that on, and we're gonna let that come up to a boil. It honestly should happen really fast because it's only a little bit of water. Let's check the time. Okay, we have 6 minutes and 45 seconds left on the clock here. What are your Friday night plans? Comment down below. Hope more exciting than mine. I would assume that they are. Take some of this water out of here. Not like all of it, but some. Veggies going in. The chili sauce. The curry sauce. This is the yellow curry sauce from Trader Joe's. It's my fave curry sauce. Heat's coming down a little bit now because we're reaching that point. How are we doing on time? Oh my god, we have 4 seconds. Okay, it's gonna be slightly longer than 10 minutes. But I feel like this is going pretty well. Really, it was just the water. We were waiting for the water to boil for so long. I think I had the heat too low. Check it out. Looks pretty good, right? For a quick little lunch. I'm excited. And of course, our lunch viewing pleasure of choice, as we already discussed, the new Gossip Girl. I will tell you guys all of my thoughts after the first episode here. Well, upsetting change of plans because it seems the HBO app is down. It will not play anything. HBO Max is so glitchy on the Roku. It's unbelievable. It's quite a while later now, and look who finally showed up.
Big week.
That's right.
Big week.
But now it's Friday.
We're done.
Connor's dragging me out of the house.
We're running on fumes.
We're gonna have a drink.
Good.
Start off the weekend.
We're gonna crash hard. So
Yes.
might as well get out.
Exactly, while we can.
It's a
I kept
beautiful
wanting to go to the beach today and read,
Yeah.
but I just like couldn't
Had too
leave the
much work,
house.
yeah.
My little musician over here. Very talented. It was on beat, which is unusual for you, so I'm impressed, honestly. It was good.
Again, match rhythm. I can't.
Yeah. Fair enough. All right, we have our drinks. I got a martini. Connor got a beer after getting a margarita, which was disgusting.
No.
It's like the worst margarita I've ever tasted. Yeah, but cheers. Happy Friday.
Friday, my love.
We are home now and dinner is here and we have a full feast. We are so freaking excited for this. Look at that, all this extra, the sashimi. I am all about it.
Good morning, everyone. It's the next day, and I'm not going to be vlogging all day today, but I thought I would maybe get a couple of clips. I'm about to go out on a walk. I have to bring some pants over to a dry cleaner to see if they can hem them. I'm not sure if they can or can't, and then I thought maybe I'll walk to Starbucks or something. Obviously wash my hair today, and then do like a little get ready with me before we head out for brunch, and I'll sort of wrap it up there because I don't feel like lugging my camera around all day. I thought might as well get a couple Saturday clips, so hello. Happy Saturday morning. So these are the pants that I need to get hemmed. As you can see, they are super long on me. So just trying to decide what length I want. I think I want them to be longer. Typically I like pants like more like ankle length, but for these I feel like longer so I can wear them with like a sneaker or something still. Be cute. These are like very bold, but I actually really like them. I think they're really cute. I'll link them down below for you guys if you're interested in checking them out. But anyway, we're just gonna bring them and see if they can hem them, but it has to be before we leave next week because I definitely want to bring them. And if not, I'm just going to cut them myself and we'll see how that goes. Up here maybe. Yeah, I think that's good. My normal dry cleaner was a no-go on the alterations, but we're gonna try one other place, see what the deal is, and then we'll take it from there. Well, success. Found a place that will take them. It's only 20 bucks, and they'll be done by Tuesday, which is before my trip. So feeling very good about that. A lot of breath hiking up a very large hill here right now to get to Starbucks. And I was sort of thinking that I would grab Starbucks and then go to the beach and read, but it is so gross out. But I don't really feel like being home either, so I may just sit in Starbucks and read for a little while. Okay, I can't talk and walk up this hill. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is quite steep. Made it to the top. Now we're going all the way back down. Oh, our neighborhood is so hilly. Makes going on walks very challenging, but not in a bad way necessarily. I feel like you can't even tell, like this is so steep going down right now. Look at that pretty view though. I love it. Got my order in at Starbucks. Found like this nice little cozy corner here. And I think I'm gonna sit here and read for a little while, because why not? All right, got my chai, my usual order. It's the absolute best, and I treated myself to a venti today, because why not? And then I'm trying these for the first time, these egg bites. I'm not a big egg gal. These are egg whites, which is like the kind of egg that I prefer. And I'm sort of hungry, so I thought these might be yummy to try. Ooh, they're very hot. I wish I had a sauce or something to dip them into, but that's okay. These are pretty good. I do wish I had a sauce or something, but still, yummy. We're back home. I just read another chapter or two of my book because it just is getting so good. I'm dying to just sit down and finish it, honestly, but it is time to start getting ready. Sorry if you hear like some background noise, just the noise that our shower makes when it's on and Connor's in the shower. So a while back, actually, like quite a while back, I asked you guys to ask me some questions for Q&A in the vlog on Instagram, and so I'm finally getting around to answering some of them. So I got a couple like basic questions about me that I figure were probably asked by people who are newer here, because people who've been here for a while probably know them. So I thought that maybe we could just start with those and take it from there. So the first question is, how old are you? And I am 27 years old, despite my face. I know I look very young. Everyone likes to make comments about it. It's been like this literally my entire life. And yeah, I'm pretty sure every bar I go to, they think I'm using a fake, but I'm not. I really am 27 years old. The next question was, where are you from? Are you from LA? So I am actually not from LA. I am from New Jersey. I moved to LA when I was 19, which would make this, I think I'm going on year 8 in August. Will be my 8th year in LA. So crazy. I've been here for so long, but I'm honestly like not over it yet. I love my life here so much. The next sort of basic-ish question was, how did you and Connor meet and how long have you guys been together? So we actually met on Hinge, and we've been together for more than 3 years now, which is so crazy. It's a pretty long time. But yeah, we just met on a dating app, and then we went out on a date to a bar in the Arts District called Everson Royce Bar. Okay, I feel like that's it for like the really basic stuff about me. So now we'll just sort of randomly go through some of these. There's honestly a lot of stuff in here about like me and Connor, so I guess I'll just go through a lot of those. So someone said, do you want a big wedding? I mean, no, I wouldn't prefer to have a big wedding, but I also know that Connor and I have so many people who we love and care about and want to be able to celebrate with, so I could see us ending up having a semi-big wedding, even though it's not necessarily what I would prefer to do, but I just don't, I want like everyone I love to be there, you know? And so I don't want to have to like exclude anyone or anything like that. What book are you currently reading? I am currently reading The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo, and it is so good. I'm absolutely loving it. Definitely want to read more of this author's books. Taylor Jenkins Reid, I believe is her name. Would you ever consider getting a dog? Does Con want one? Love you. Love you too. Yes and yes, Connor wants a dog so badly, and yeah, I definitely think that we will end up having a dog because Connor really, really wants one, but like second half of next year at the earliest, I think, is when we would get it. Oh, this is sort of interesting. How do you split rent stuff with Connor? Does one of you pay more if you make more money? So actually, yes. The way that Connor and I set up our rent, Connor makes a little bit more money than me, and so the way that we did it is we made sure that both of us were paying the same amount less than we were when we were living alone. So we're both saving more money than we were before, but since Connor's apartment before was a little bit more expensive and he makes a little bit more money, he pays a little bit more here. But that's sort of how we figured it out. That way it's still like even and fair. So someone asked, do you ever miss living alone? And honestly, no, not really at all. I guess the only perk of living alone is that it allows me to like film more openly and like whatever I want, whenever I want. But it's also not even really a problem with Connor and I, with like living with him, because he doesn't really care about stuff like that. So it's not totally a factor, but I'm conscious of it. And so I guess that would be the only thing that I sort of miss, but even saying that I miss that would be a stretch. Do you want to buy a house in LA someday? I mean, I don't really think so, honestly. I don't see LA being like a landing place for me. It's just like where I want to live while I'm young. But I definitely think I could see myself buying a house in Southern California. Sorry, my camera ran out of space, but that was pretty much the last question I was gonna answer. Okay, this is the last one that I think I'll answer just because I think it's sort of interesting and I need to finish up this anyway, so might as well get one more in. So the last one is, do you ever miss having your hair permanently straightened? And to say never would be a lie, because I still like having straight hair, but I like my curly hair enough that like, I don't miss it enough that I would make a change. But yeah, like sometimes I miss the ease of it, not having to like experiment or worry about like my hair getting crazy or, you know, anything like that. Like straight hair is just a little bit easier than curly hair, but all in all, I like my curls. Look at how pretty they are. I love them. And there you have it. That's the Q&A. Just finished getting dressed. Here is the look for the day. Let me like get a better mirror going. There we go. Cute dress, little pop of pink shoes. Sort of fun. And
we are ready for a day of day drinking.
We're actually going to this place that does this insane open bar deal, so expecting it to get a little crazy today. But it sounds like fun, good Saturday activity. So anyway, I'm just gonna wrap up the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this sort of random mishmash of some days. And I'll see you in the next one.